G'day and welcome to Epic E-Bikes. Today we've got a 2021 Turbo Kenevo that we're going to unlock. We're going to unlock by removing the TCU and installing the Levociraptor chip here. All we're going to need is the chip, a T10 Torx and a little Phillips head screwdriver. Super quick, super simple. So what we do is we take off the TCU with the Torx bolt here. And then we pull it out to expose these connectors. I'll zoom up and show you these connectors, how they unplug and how the Levociraptor chip connects. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe to help us make some more. Okay, first step, we're going to unplug this one here. If you pull it a little bit, you see it's green. This is the one we're after. This other one's black. That's not the one we need. So you might notice here, might be hard to tell in the video, there's arrows that face each other on these connectors. It's important to check these are matching when you plug them back in, as that means the pins and internal plugs will match. So we'll get our Levociraptor chip here. It's got the two connectors, so you just get them, you line those arrows up and then you carefully, gently push them together. Same with the other connector, line those arrows up, push them together, easy as that. So we'll start to tuck it in, and then what we're going to do is here's a little dial on the chip itself. So it'll come to you set on 0, like that, and then each setting will increase the maximum speed that your bike can go. So in this case we're going to go all the way to 5 to give us that speed that you'll see on the chart that I'll display in the video that level 5 gets you. And now it's as simple as putting the TCU back into the bike. So you get the chip, pop it down the down tube, gently push it all down there. There's a fair bit of wires in there. And then we'll just slot our TCU back into place. Put in our Torx bolt. We'll turn on the bike. And then we'll turn it off, and then we'll repeat this procedure again just to reset the TCU. It's as simple as that. The chip's now installed and the bike is unlocked. We're going to do some ride reviews on this bike as well as some videos comparing the Shimano and Bosch and Specialized motors and e-bikes, so we hope you like those when they come out in the future. Please like and subscribe to help us get more of these videos out to you.